Top 20 Tally ERP 9 MCQ question and answer.
What does Tally ERP stand for?
Tally Enterprise Resource Processing.
What is Tally ERP 9 primarily used for?
Accounting and Financial Management.
Which of the following is the starting point to access Tally ERP 9?
Desktop shortcut.
What type of software is Tally ERP 9?
Accounting software.
Which menu option in Tally ERP 9 is used to create a new company?
Accounting info.
To enter a sales transaction in Tally ERP 9, which voucher type would you use?
Sales voucher.
In Tally ERP 9, what does the F1 key do?
Go to Gateway of Tally.
Which key is used to shut down the Tally application?
Control plus Q.
What is the function of the F11 features key in Tally ERP?
To configure company feature.
To access the Alter option for modifying a voucher in Tally, which key combination is used?
Alt plus A.
How can you print a report in Tally ERP?
Use the Alt plus P key combination.
Which of the following vouchers is used for recording purchase transactions in Tally ERP?
Purchase voucher.
Which of the following function is used to entry payment voucher?
F5.
What does the F7 key do in Tally ERP?
Opens the journal voucher.
What is a ledger in Tally ERP?
A detailed record of all transactions for a particular account.
In Tally, how can you print a report?
Press Alt+P.
What is the primary function of the F11 key in Tally?
Enable features and configuration settings.
Which Tally feature allows for multi-currency transactions?
Multi-currency accounting.
Which report in Tally shows the financial position of a company at a specific point in time?
Balance sheet.
Which Tally module is used for payroll management?
Payroll. Thanks for watching. How many questions answered did you know? Comment below, and subscribe for more content.